Second Chronicles 16 and 12. This Corona thing, these are plagues of Egypt coming. Nothing new under the sun, no new thing under the sun, and basically, wisdom and the knowledge of the scriptures should be the stability of thy times, and the strength when you're in your affliction. And I'm talking your deepest afflictions of suicide, of just thinking, when you just feel like you can't do it, like giving up. But with the Most High, nothing's impossible. And his name's Yahweh, and his son's Yahweh Shai. John 17, verse 6 and verse 26. I heard the names in my dream right after I seen his face on my forehead. He revealed the Revelation 22 and 4. I seen 22D on the TV screen. And as I was reading Revelations, D was the fourth letter, and the fourth verse of Revelations 22, they shall see his face and his name shall be in their foreheads. And it just blew me away, because I had this mark on my forehead. This first time I felt the burning in my forehead, but I didn't get it. It's matching Ezekiel 9 and 4. But the second time he opened me to the wisdom, he gave me his wisdom. I didn't have his wisdom before. And I was calling upon these wrong gods, okay? People go to church on Sunday because they're worshiping a sun god, a sun deity. And that's the thing. All these false gods that they tell you to worship in these churches are actually forms of Satan. Jeremiah 23 and 13 tells us that. And basically, he reveals the secrets and mysteries unto the meek, the poor, the righteous. And I seen what happens, what they do to the poor, So the thing is, they're delivered onto the sword. But, he won't allow his righteous to see corruption. And it's powerful. So he put like my father died, Slakia, don't call any earthly man your father, because we all have one Father which is in heaven. And he only has one name, he changeth not. And basically, the Mayflower, that's the thing. Gotta research. Thing is, this place is built on wickedness. People came over on the Mayflower. And the thing is, this place, America, is about to be destroyed. Because it was stolen from the Indians, okay? Tribe Gad, the North American Indians, still here today. They have the testimony of the 12 tribes. They knew the Most High's name. If you look up the Bat Creek Stone, the Mexicans also known. Look up the Los Llanos dialogue stones in Mexico. This language goes back to Genesis 11 and 1, Zephaniah 3 and 9. And this was that name, these names that I heard in my dream. And this is your paw. If I could, dang. There's no way I could lower the brightness on this, but y'all know how the sun looks. It looks like a bright ball of beam. And the thing is, I do got to get rolling, but hey, the second time he gave me his wisdom, I opened the book after that night I went out to meet him, Matthew 25 verse 6, and the book literally lit up, like as if like he gave us what is it, a beam to entertain us, something like that. So the thing is, it's also the power of the Holy Spirit, okay? John 1:32 and Luke 2 and 32 are talking about this mark upon the forehead, which is that Holy Spirit. Another face shining upon the head, a bounty upon the forehead, descending like a dove. And it's a sign that should be spoke against for the rise and fall of many in Yasharallah, Israel. And that's the thing. I want you guys to look that up, but I'm going to share all them scriptures as possible. I'm going to try to remember everything I just said in this video. I'll just name this the title, Rising Us Up Early, you know, so we can tell people this good word, what he's doing. And, you know, this is the thing. Bright and early, you know. Call Yahweh, Bahashem Yahweh Shai, Bahashem Rakakodash, Rakatah. Come on.